Health and well-being is important to our overall sense of happiness, and we know that a diet consisting of fresh ingredients is key. Juicing is the fastest, easiest and tastiest way to increase your fruit and vegetable intake, and is a great way to add a concentration of vitamins and minerals to your diet. But it's about more than just nutrition. Juice is delicious. The Juice Fountain Cold XL from Breville. It's the only juicer in the market that can extract 2 litres of delicious, nutrient-rich juice up to 5 times faster than a cold press. The quiet mode reduces noise by up to 55%, ideal for when you really need to be quiet. We've reoriented the waste bucket, creating a unique space-saving design which is a better fit for every countertop. Our cold spin technology produces less than 1 degree temperature transfer, ensuring optimum nutrition is retained. A handy juice nozzle attachment gives the option of juicing straight into your glass. The seal and store lid allows you to store freshly made juice in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, which means you clean less. Even hard fruits are a breeze, with the commercial quality build and rigorously tested performance you'd expect from Breville. Make juicing easy to fit in better with your busy lifestyle. The Juice Fountain Cold XL. Nutrition made fast, easy and delicious.